the sky so wide and clear. We march without a hint of fear, with hearts of steel and feet of flame. We rise together in one name. A march of the brave, we stand as one, through darkest night until there's none. With every step we pave the way, for brighter dawns and newfound day. Battles fought and trials won, we hold the line till setting sun. With every heartbeat loud and proud, we lift our voices strong and loud. A march of the brave, we stand as one, through darkest night until there's none. With every step we pave the way, for brighter dawns and newfound day. Too fierce, no night too long. Our spirits rise, our will is strong. In unity, we find our might. In every shadow, there's a light. A march of the brave, we stand as one, through darkest night until there's none. With every step we pave the way, for brighter dawns and newfound day. Brighter dawns and newfound day. For brighter dawns and newfound day.